Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Summer and I'm here to show you a super easy, fun hair tutorial. I just have some loose waves. I don't even have any hairspray in it, just something to give it a little bit of texture. So after that, you're going to part your hair on the side. I like to do a pretty deep side part, but do whatever you're comfortable with. Then you're going to grab a little section of hair. You don't have to be precise with it or anything, it's just easy, and just grab a little section. Probably about an inch. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start twisting and adding a little bit of hair to each twist. Okay, so it looks just like this. Just go back a couple inches. Grab a bobby pin and just pin it in place. Okay, and then next what you're going to do is the exact same thing underneath it. Okay, and it's really just that easy, and you can do as many as you want. I just did 2 thicker ones today, but sometimes I do 3, sometimes I do 4. It just gives a little bit of detail to your hair, and it's something just to try for fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. Would you wear this out or not? Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.